This time, PBBM echoed the description of Prime Minister Modi as the principle of the Philippines and India's friendship by choice and partner by destiny.
And steer our hopes and dreams through challenging tides. Our vision. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. It has been a great privilege.
Napanood nyo ba yung speech ni PBBM sa harap ng mga professionals, businessman at diplomats sa India kahapon? Kahapon ay August 7. Grabing galing, standing ovation ng mga nandoon. Ang galing, you must be very proud of him. Ang galing magsalita and hindi basta salita kundi mga words na hindi common na binabanggit. Ang galing. At saka yung yung pangalang paano niya inuugnay ang mga bagay-bagay. Ang galing. O kahit ba, I do not know kung siya ba ang nagsulat o may speech writer siya, but the way he delivered it, perfect. Galing. So that makes me feel proud. I do not think any president can do that in that sense, no. Ang galing. PBB, proud tayo talaga bilang Pilipino. We must be very proud of you. At madinig mo sa sinasabi ng mga officers ng, I forgot the position, no, sa India. Binanggit, acknowledge niya na we are among of the two Asian fastest growing economy. Nasaan doon ang sinasabing na pag-iwanan tayo? Wala, hindi totoo. Ang totoo, we're being acknowledged as one of the fastest growing economy in Asia. So, kaya nga sabi ni CEO ng San Miguel Beer, si ang sabi niya, PBBM is, anong sabi? Yung magaling makaporsi ng anong dapat gawin o anong dapat nararapat para sa future. Visionary. He is a visionary. Coming from a very successful company, he is the CEO, CEO, chairman ng executive officer. Ang galing. Ulitin ko lang, standing ovation. Ang galing-galing. We must be proud of him. Yan lang. Maraming salamat.